Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I love vlogging, okay? So I realized that I'm gonna vlog this trip. So I'm going to Port Blair. So Port Blair is basically my in-laws place. I'm going to my in-laws place. Everything's packed, and you know what? It's apparently 12:36 a.m. We are all packed, and we have to leave by 3:30 because our flight is at 5:30 in the morning. It is a very stressful time because I ain't gonna get any sleep right now. I don't know what to do. But anyway, I'm super excited because this is the first time I'm going alone to my in-laws place. The last time when I went to Andamans, it was my reception and I actually couldn't film anything at all. So this time we're going for 5 days and I'm super excited for it. So I will see you guys at the airport. So the update is that we are at the airport and the flight will be approximately at 5:30 or something. Boarding hasn't started yet. So I just grabbed a coffee real quick because I'm drowsing off and I'm feeling so sleepy. It's not even funny. Yeah, and that is what I have to say. So where are you gonna take me in Andamans?
All the places except Havelock and because I don't know whether it is open or not.
You know, I need this swiping things on my glasses because whenever I talk, they get fogged up or shit. I don't know. Apparently, I am thrilled, but also not that much because whenever I'm going to Andaman, I'm not having the chance to go to Havelock. What to do? So my husband is basically a Keralite settled in Andaman. His forefathers had settled there after like I think independence in the evening and shopped. They are so loose, like it's really loose. I wore it and I thought it's gonna be like alright, but it's really loose, very loose. So I guess I'll have to like tighten it up once I come back to Chennai. See this? How loose it is. Like, can you just see? So we are all boarded and set, and I've started my flight. Luckily, I've got the window seat. My husband and I are sitting separately, and I hope that the person who's sitting near me, I can convince them to go to my husband's place. That's because the flight is completely full. So So for us, they serve breakfast, which is I think this is rava idli because it looks yellow, and they have served a vada with sambar and a bun, fruit yogurt which I love, and some butter, water. We're gonna exchange, right? You're gonna take my idli? Okay. So he'll be taking the idlis because I don't eat idli, and I'll be taking his vada, and then we shall eat our breakfast. I'm pretty sure once we land, we're gonna get like a lot of food, right? What are you expecting to get at home?
I don't know, we'll have to see.
All right. So guys, we have reached Port Blair, and we for some time we just went to my husband's uncle's place, and now we're heading to our home, which is apparently some 1 hour away from Port Blair. So we'll be heading there.
Mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Hey guys, so day one we didn't do anything because we just visited our relatives and all of that sort. So the second day is today. So we are planning to go to the beach in the bike. So and here it's compulsory that the pillion rider also wears a helmet. So we have stopped to buy a helmet. So let's head to the beach. I don't know which beach we are going to. I think mostly Carbon School. So yes, I'll be taking you along with me. So guys, we finally reached. What else? Where else are you going to take me? There's a part of Carbon, right? Hmm.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be. You and I are working here.
How was it? It's sweet. Never had anyone behind the camera for my vlog. It is sweet, it's big, it's huger than Chennai ka. How much is it here, by the way?
30.
30. Not bad. So this coconut also is really sweet.
You're eating
Actually,
ulta, but yeah.
actually I'm trying to peel and I'm eating, but it's really sweet. You wanna try?
No, I have.
Hmm. I always ask for the one that has the tender flesh because I like that better than the hard one. Carbon Cove beach. We're not going inside. It's too hot, but the coconut water helped a bit to keep us hydrated. Let's go home. So we are heading home, and then are we going for lunch? Yes, we are going to lunch.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact
So guys, we have come to Welcome Hotel for our lunch, and apparently it looks really beautiful. So let's just go inside and see how it looks. Where are they sitting? An amazing place, guys. It's a sea facing hotel. Damn fancy, damn fancy.
You want to sit out or inside?
Anyway. Look at the rains, guys. The weather is beautiful. Husband ji, where are you, husband? Hey, you look good. Tell me more about Andaman. No?
Whatever you see.
What do I see?
This is Andaman.
The weather is really good, right?
Yeah, it's going to
Let me introduce you to my family. Anmol, hi bol. Hi. That's my mother. I won't call her my mother-in-law. That's my brother-in-law. Single है, text कर लो, DM कर लो. That's my husband.
the fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Hi guys, it's day 3 and today we are going to Ross Islands and also North Bay. So I am super excited about it. I'm going to do a quick makeup right now, not anything like the heavy ones, just a very natural base. It's been so long since I put makeup also, and we are going to get changed into something else. I'm not wearing this top, I'm wearing something else, and we'll be going. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. If you have been wondering why I didn't go inside Kalapani, the jail, and show you guys, it's because my previous trip I have already gone there and I didn't record the trip because I was newly into marriage and it was reception day was nearing, so I was in a big hurry. I couldn't vlog. So let's go do makeup and get changed. I have like just 10 minutes to do my entire makeup. Stress is bursting in. I bought this in Amazon, a very comfortable kind of bag for keeping all your makeup whenever you're traveling. And I really like this because it has compartments, and these compartments can be like removed and attached anywhere you want because it has this space in middle to go. Like, what is actually good in Ross Island and what's the beauty of it?
It's an historical place.
Yeah, that I know. But what is like the significance of it or something is there?
Another island.
Hmm.
The Britishers used to stay there. They used to do there will be old churches and restaurant.
So I'm completely ready. My hair already I've got beachy waves because it was wet, and I put a knot. And this is my costume. We have reached to this water sports complex to get into a boat. Oh my god, it's so hot. So you guys have to get a proper sunscreen, otherwise you're gonna get really tan. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys around. These are the ticketing booths for different water sports. That's the entrance. Those are the activity area. The water is gorgeous, guys. Look at the color of the water. It's a beautiful place. We have to get into one of those boats. Like there are lots of them. Figuring out a way to. Highly recommend you guys not to wear makeup and come. It's a very bad idea because your face is like makeup is gonna melt like nobody's business. How much of a setting spray you use or whatever the hell it is. So yeah. What is the scene? What is the update?
Yeah, we have to wait more 6 people for more 6 people.
Great. Noise. We both have aquaphobia, right? What the hell are we gonna do? You're okay with waters and all, right? Not getting into it. Nah? He's busy. Even to like get on that and stand and then get into the ship takes a whole different courage. Nonsense. This looks like a backpack.
Evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
बात करिए।